Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix TEN Valkyrie game crashing or not launching, not opening, not loading, lagging, freezing, keep stopping, not working, or several other issues on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your phone. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select swipe to restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, log into the game and check. If not, next is to force stop the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info and then click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the game. After you force stop the game, now check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage option, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. Next solution is to check your internet connection. So you should make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, then restart your router or move to mobile data or do vice versa and then check if the problem is fixed. Next is to check for the game update. So you should check if the game needs any kind of update. So for that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for TEN Valkyrie game. And now here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to install a VPN. So if you are unable to launch the game, then you are suggested to install a VPN app. For that, go to Google Play Store. From the search option, search for VPN. Lots of apps will be available over here. Install any one of the VPN app, change the location and after that try to launch the game and check. Next solution is to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings and after that go below, click on system update and here you will find if there is any update available for the game. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, click on the game icon over here. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. So this will completely remove the game from your phone. After that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for TEN Valkyrie game and then click on install option. So this will install the game. You have to wait for some time and after it is installed, now try to launch the game and check whether it's working. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.